Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the Forex chart of DXY, US dollar currency index in front of us. As you can see, the DXY right now standing at 102.20. And DXY showed extreme selling yesterday, but still DXY is trying to maintain its position over the previous low of 101.90, and I think DXY will try to remain within this range till Friday, because Friday is a big day for Forex market and Forex traders because of the non-farm payroll and FP. Before Friday, if market or DXY tries to recover also, the road will not be easy. There will be multiple resistances because the market is in downtrend. This is a seller's market, and 101.90 is the last support of DXY. If market breaks this level here, then things will be really critical for US dollar index. You can see here dollar slides on sluggish US data Aussie status ahead of RBA, and moreover there is a possibility that ECB will be going for, and moreover there is a possibility that ECB will be going for a rate hike of 150 basis points for the medium term. So overall things are not very easy to understand right now. And this is the Forex chart of Euro USD in front of us, and as you can clearly see that unlike the chart of gold, we have an ascending triangle pattern. On the chart of gold, we saw that we have a symmetrical triangle pattern, and symmetrical triangle is a bilateral pattern. It is very difficult to predict in which direction the breakout is about to come, but ascending triangle pattern is a bullish pattern. Means usually it is seen that in ascending triangle pattern we get a breakout above the resistance, and as you can see that overall the market sentiment is also pointing towards an upside on the chart of euro dollar, because you can see that we have a resistance at the top, and the resistance is 1.0930. Okay, 1.0930 or around this level. Sellers are present and they are not allowing the market to go up, but the buyers are also very much adamant and they are also not ready to surrender, because you can see that whenever market is coming down, they are not breaking the previous low. So it shows the intention of the buyers, the adamancy of the buyers to take the market up. And usually in ascending triangle pattern, it is seen that we get a breakout towards the upside. So by Friday there is a possibility that market may show a big breakout and market may break the resistance and go up. If that happens, then yes, you should be going for a buy position. And as I just said, that ascending triangle pattern is a bullish pattern, so as a result I will not be recommending any sell position at the resistance. Taking a sell at a resistance can be risky. If you are an experienced trader, then you can look for some quick selling opportunity, but overall I will not be recommending any sell position, because I record my videos in the Asian session and things are quite unpredictable right now. Okay. So as you can see right now that euro dollar is standing at 1.0890. so during the day, if market comes down, then look for buy around 1.0850. okay. As I always say, volatility of the market will play a big role. If the volatility of the market remains like this, but because right now we can see that market is not much volatile. In US session, market shows crazy volatility. In that case, 1.0850 may not work. But if market surprises us with less volatility, then you can expect the market to take support around 1.0850 and you can expect a buy position. This is a minor support for the day. And the next level to grab a buy position is around 1.0830 or 1.0838 to 1.08 1.0828. This is another level on the chart of gold, and 1.0838, 1.0828 is a better level in comparison to 1.0850. So in case during the day if market starts falling, then there's a good chance that market will get some support around this area. What you need to do is, instead of 4 hours time frame, it's a slower one. Just switch to 1 hour time frame or 15 minutes time frame and just observe the reaction of the market around these levels. If you see the market shows price rejection from below, if you see market showing reversal signs around this area, you'll get the confirmation that buyers are still present and you can look for a buy position. And lastly, we have the trend line. So my dear friends, no level is permanent in the market. So as a result, we need to observe the. My dear friends, these are the only trading opportunities that I see on the chart of EURUSD right now. In case market shows a breakout above this level 1.0930 level, wait for 1 or 2 hours and just wait and watch, because it can be a false breakout as well. False breakout is also a bitter reality of the market, and as a result, if market shows a breakout before Friday, wait for some time, wait for a couple of hours and just see how the market is doing. If you see that for 2 or 3 hours market is trading comfortably above 1.0930 level, you'll get the confirmation that the breakout is more or less real and you can look for a buy position as well. And off late the market has been extremely crazy, so please be in touch with the news and strictly follow the economy calendar. You can see here today also we have some news, job openings, so there may be some volatility during the day, so try to close down your positions before the news, okay, so that you do not become a victim of the news volatility. Okay. And if you look at the forex sentiment meter, then we can see that 76% retail traders have taken short position and only 23% are on the buy side. And as we all know that usually market always move against the sentiment meter. So apart from the ascending triangle pattern, so the forex sentiment meter is also giving us the indication that in the coming days an upside on the, or the continuation of the upside on the chart of euro dollar is very much possible. And if you look at the COT data, okay, COT data of euro FX Chicago Mercantile Exchange, and you can see that non-commercial 2,22,918 contracts, and whereas only 77,000 contracts on the short side. So if we consider the non-commercial positions, or the big ones are also very much bullish right now. Okay, so overall I think the sentiment is bullish, so as a result we should be looking for buy positions on the chart of EURUSD until a news comes out and changes everything. News or any fundamental reason is required for a trend reversal, and right now we don't have that. So as a result, okay, try to trade along with the flow of the market. So as a result, I am not recommending any sell position at a resistance, because that can be risky. And if market reverses from our support levels as we have discussed, you can definitely go for a buy position. Okay, so my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. I'm also a trader like you, so please follow proper risk management. No trader is 100% accurate, so be careful. Bye bye, take care.